So, are Detroit axle parts actually a hidden budget-friendly gem? Or are they the kind of cheap car parts that end up costing you more later? Because if you've searched for replacement suspension parts, brakes, wheel hubs, or pretty much anything automotive online, you've probably seen Detroit axle pop up everywhere. Usually at prices that seem almost suspiciously low compared to big name brands. Today, we're doing an honest review of Detroit Axle, what they offer, where they perform surprisingly well, and where you might want to think twice before buying. Now, for people who don't know, Detroit Axle is an aftermarket auto parts company that sells replacement components for a huge range of vehicles. We're talking brake kits, control arms, wheel bearings, tie rods, shocks, struts, basically a lot of the stuff that eventually wears out on your car. And the biggest reason people notice them? The pricing. Compared to premium brands, Detroit axle parts are often way cheaper, sometimes dramatically cheaper. So naturally, people start asking the question, okay, what's the catch? Well, after looking into user experiences, mechanic opinions, and overall reputation, the answer is honestly a little mixed. Starting with the positives first. For budget repairs, Detroit axle can actually make a lot of sense. If you've got an older vehicle and you don't want to spend a fortune keeping it on the road, these parts are definitely appealing. One thing many people like is that they often sell complete kits. Instead of buying parts individually, you can get a whole suspension or brake package together, which can save a lot of money and time. Installation also seems pretty straightforward in most cases. A lot of DIY mechanics say the parts fit reasonably well and arrive with the hardware needed. And honestly, for normal daily driving, many users say the parts work completely fine. But now we get to the part where things become a little more complicated. Detroit axle is not generally considered premium quality automotive hardware, and that's important to understand before buying. The biggest criticism you'll see online is long-term durability. Some users report parts lasting years without.
Another thing to keep in mind is that professional mechanics are kind of divided on the brand. Some say it's acceptable for budget repairs, while others avoid it completely and recommend spending more on trusted OEM or higher-end aftermarket brands. And honestly, I can understand both sides. If you're fixing up an old daily driver with 150,000 miles and you just need affordable parts to keep it alive, Detroit axle might actually be a smart choice. But if you own a newer performance car, tow heavy loads, or want maximum long-term reliability, you may want something higher quality. Now, let's talk about real-world user feedback, because this is where things get interesting. Looking through Reddit forums and automotive discussions, there's actually a pretty common pattern. A lot of users admit they were skeptical at first because the prices felt too good to be true. But surprisingly, many ended up satisfied, especially people doing budget repairs on older vehicles. Several users mentioned brake kits specifically, saying they performed better than expected for the money. Some even said they've used Detroit axle multiple times without major issues. But then you also see the opposite experiences. Some Reddit users complained about premature wear, noisy wheel bearings, or suspension components failing earlier than expected. A few even mentioned having to redo labor costs because a part didn't last very long. And honestly, labor is the big thing here. Even if the parts are cheap, replacing them twice can quickly erase the savings, especially if you're paying a mechanic. That's why Detroit axle feels like one of those brands where expectations matter a lot. If you're expecting premium OEM level durability at bargain bin prices, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you understand you're buying affordable aftermarket parts for basic transportation needs, the value can actually be pretty decent. So overall, would I recommend Detroit axle? Honestly, it depends on the vehicle and your situation. If you need affordable replacement parts for an older car, you do your own repairs, or you're trying to save money, Detroit axle can absolutely be worth considering. But if reliability is your top priority, or you drive aggressively, tow frequently, or plan to keep the car long term, you may be better off investing in higher end brands. At the end of the day, Detroit axle isn't completely junk like some people claim online, but it's also not magical premium quality for cheap prices either.
It's really a budget option that works well for some people and disappoints others, depending on expectations and usage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.